next step to fixing my wife's lead foot driving is to get the pan loose.
You're so mean to me.
Yeah, well, when you fly over railroad tracks, you deserve to be somebody be mean at you. So we're just going to loosen all these up. Now what we'll do is we loosen, because this is on the low side, there's still going to be fluid in here. So we'll loosen these up, let this drop down first. So that we can start getting some more of the fluid out. But I'm just kind of working my way around. Loosening them all up. They don't need to be super tight, so we're not struggling getting them off or anything.
Come on, get on there, you silly savage. There we go. That one was kind of loose.
Yeah, well, they should be a little bit, shouldn't be on really super tight.
I'm bumping the camera. Whoopsie.
Yeah, bumping the camera.
Okay,
Kind of working around the camera.
I'm going to move down.
This saves me from crawling around the other side to reach the other ones. We got the pan here where all the stuff was leaking down. I'm laying in the cat litter. Now I went to look, there's two different ones depending on what transmission you have. There's the 3-speed and the 4-speed, which the 3-speed is overdrive. And that's what this one is.
4-speed is overdrive.
Yeah, they call it 4-speed. And our other car that we were junking out, it's the same car, same year, same motor, same everything. And we're going to pull the pan off of that one. We're going to check and make sure if it's the same pan. We won't have to fix this one. We'll just switch pans. That one's going to the scrap yard anyway.
Right.
So why leave a pan go that we can use? And that one would probably be a little higher up. We could probably use the impact on that, but you can't use the impact sockets on here because they're too fat. But it don't take much to get these off.
Yeah, they're leaking up here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could get the socket off. I was going to do that, but I couldn't. Couldn't get it. Ouch.
There's one out. These are actually the deep well sockets work really nice for this.
You want me to get a deep well?
Yeah, if you want to get up and do it.
Not really.
I know it's not.
It's hard for me to get up and down.
I know. That's why I said if you really want to get up and do it, I can do it with the short one. It's just the long one gives you a bit more to grab onto.
Yeah. And
Really
then
starting to drip now.
I'm going to have to get up and get you some rag anyway. My phone's out of my pocket. Ouch.
I think this one had 19 bolts in it.
Yeah. The other one was a 17 bolt. Like 2 more bolts for some reason. Probably because that little curve down there.
Yeah, the difference between the gaskets was right here, I think it is. Yeah, this bumps out where the other one just kind of goes straight across there.
Yep.
Kind of difference between the two. And we went up there. We didn't pay attention which one we had. We didn't realize there's 2 different ones.
Yeah. I realized there was a bump on that. I can, right?
Oh, it's really starting to drip now.
There we go. We're ready for you.
Needs to be over there, not over here.
I know.
So you just get back?
Yeah.
Okay. didn't bring the pan with you.
Somebody needs to come over and take it off.
Just bowling you. Ribbing you, whatever. Underneath the car, taking bolts off of the pan. There he is, walking over to get the other transmission pan. He decided to walk. He could have rode, but he wanted to walk. So I'm gonna go over there too and record him taking that pan off.